Okay, we'll begin looking at markets in NCR, starting with Faridabad, whose lifeline, the Mathura Road, has made a comeback on the realty map with a clutch of new commercial office projects. In fact, local developers have begun positioning Mathura Road as the upcoming IT corridor for NCR. But are these claims in tune with what's happening on ground? Let's find out. Faridabad is changing. High-rise office towers are sprouting all along Faridabad's arterial Mathura Road in a bid to transform its traditional industrial economy into an upcoming IT hub. Approximately 30 lakh square feet of office space is at various stages of development across 5 commercial projects, with more being in the pipeline.
कि यहाँ पे अभी लार्सन एंड टुब्रो है, एक वेल्सपन पाइप्स है, प्लस 3-4 ऐसे नामी ग्रामी नाम हैं जो गुड़गांव की महंगी जगह छोड़ करके यहाँ फरीदाबाद में अभी जिन्होंने साइन किया है.
Apart from cheap rentals, Mathura Road's sudden placement as a potential IT CBD comes on account of a number of infrastructure projects that are poised to ease Faridabad's infamous traffic issues. The Delhi Metro line is being extended from Badarpur in Delhi to YMCA Chowk in Faridabad. Currently in its final phase and approaching its September 2014 deadline, the Faridabad Metro line will have 9 stations spanning a 14-kilometer route.
2031 का जो मास्टर प्लान फरीदाबाद का आने वाला है, इसके अंदर 2 कनेक्टिविटी नोएडा और ग्रेटर नोएडा से प्रपोज की गई है. अब हमारी फरीदाबाद की नहर पार जो हम ग्रेटर फरीदाबाद की बोलते हैं, जो दूरी है वो 10 से 15 किलोमीटर की है. हम 15 से 20 मिनट की ड्राइव में
Another crucial game changer will be the 6 laning of the National Highway 2 starting from Mathura Road right up to Agra. But slow land acquisition is likely to push the deadline of this project from 2015 to 2017. Apart from timely execution, Faridabad always figures second in the state government's development plans when compared to Haryana's other NCR member, Gurgaon. Behind me is the Delhi-Faridabad Skyway toll, commonly known as the Badarpur flyover. It is because of this elevated road that connectivity of Faridabad to Delhi, Noida and Gurgaon has vastly improved in recent years. But this project should have come in much earlier. And this is exactly what holds back Faridabad even today: neglect on improving its connectivity. Experts believe it is too early to label Mathura Road as NCR's new IT-ITES destination, despite the surrounding infrastructure developments.
I am not very bullish currently on any improvements in the overall activity, because there is a lot of unabsorbed supply which is actually there, office supply, which is there in Noida and Gurgaon.
Noida's commercial business districts have a total inventory of 20 lakh square feet, out of which almost 32% is still vacant. Gurgaon's prime CBDs like Cyber City and MG Road have an overall vacancy rate of 10%, while the rest of Gurgaon's office hotspots have a vacancy rate of almost 32%. Faridabad's residential market, concentrated in Greater Faridabad, also has to post some positive developments to bring in the manpower. Greater Faridabad is perhaps the best option for affordable home seekers in NCR, which could have a symbiotic effect with Mathura Road's new commercial projects. But execution issues and slow-moving infrastructure remains the big stumbling block. With camera person Sumi Deogam, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.